West Bengal CM clearly voicing her angst, and in fact we are getting in more breaking inputs. We are getting you the inside scoop of what's happening between the TMC and the Congress party. As per Congress sources, Congress has now been told by Trinamool Congress that TMC has elections in Kolkata and Basirhat. Then why was the date fixed for 1st June? That's the question being posed by the TMC. Sources have also suggested that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was the reason why TMC snapped alliance in Bengal, and thus Congress has reached out to Trinamool Congress. Adhir was also pulled up for his comments on Mamata Banerjee, is what we are learning. Sources have said that Congress is now downplaying its own campaign in Kolkata, which is very interesting. For more details, let's quickly go across to Pallavi Ghosh, who's live with us. Pallavi, much damage control now being done by the Congress party, but is this too little too late?
Yes, it is certainly too late, but the Congress is hoping it's not too late and not too little, because the India bloc is almost convinced, and certainly Congress is, by their own internal survey, that there is a possibility that they could form a government at the centre. But the TMC, being a big player with a large number of seats coming in from West Bengal, would really matter. We saw, for example, just as the Bharat Jodo Yatra entered the Bengal leg, Mamata Banerjee publicly snapped her ties with the Congress, saying there's going to be no alliance over here in the state. That's not what the Congress wants now. The Congress knows that the main complaint of Mamata Banerjee has been against Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. And with Behrampur, which is Adhir's constituency, voting done away with, we can very clearly see a distancing taking place between Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary vis-a-vis the Trinamool Congress. What we also picked up is that 5 top leaders from the centre of Congress party were expected to come and camp in Kolkata to campaign for the left candidates over here. That plan has been shelved, and it's a clear-cut indication that the Congress is now trying to reach out to Mamata Banerjee. We'll have to wait to see, in case the numbers notch up, in case the performance of the India bloc is reasonable enough to form the government, will Mamata Banerjee melt?
All right, we're going to deep dive into this, but Pallavi, I'm going to request you to continue staying with us. Let's also play out how the Bharatiya Janata Party is now responding to this. Let's listen into what Shukanta Majumdar and Shehzad Poonawala have had to say.
देखिए, टीएमसी एक्चुअली ए फ्लिप फ्लॉप मोड में है. कब किधर है कि उधर है, बाएं तरफ है कि दाएं तरफ है, और किसी की तरफ नहीं है, कोई किसी को पता नहीं. कांग्रेस ही आस लगा के बैठे हुए हैं कि कांग्रेस इस दिलासे से बैठे हुए हैं कि ममता बनर्जी का प्यार मिलेगा उनको, लेकिन प्यार तो नहीं मिल रहा है.
6 फेजेस की जो वोटिंग हुई है उसको देखते हुए अब जैसे राहुल गांधी जी मंच पर चढ़े और मंच जो है वो टूट गया, ऐसे लगता है कि 4 जून आते आते इंडी अलायंस भी टूटने की तैयारी में है, क्योंकि ममता बनर्जी जी ने कह दिया है, जो पहले कह रही थी आउटसाइड सपोर्ट देंगे, अब तो आउटसाइड सपोर्ट वाली स्थिति भी नहीं लग रही है इंडी अलायंस के लिए. अब तो ममता बनर्जी कह रही है कि 1 तारीख की 1 जून की जो मीटिंग है 1 जून की, उसमें मैं नहीं आऊंगी. और फिर वो कहती है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के लोग, कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है वो तो किसी और से पैसा लेकर मेरे खिलाफ कैंपेनिंग कर रहे हैं. ये कैसा अलायंस है? मंच भी टूटते जा रहा है और अलायंस भी जिस प्रकार से टूटते जा रहा है, मतलब कि जो लोग 5वें और 6ठे फेज में दोस्त थे, वो 7वां फेज आते आते दुश्मनी कर बैठे.
Right. So Shehzad Poonawala making a very interesting commentary over there. जो लोग 5वें और 6ठे फेज तक दोस्त थे, 7वें तक आते आते दुश्मनी पल गई. Pallavi is back with us. Pallavi, how, if you actually look at it in hindsight, in the past couple of months, ever since in fact Bharat Jodo Yatra arrived in Bengal, what has caused this flip-flop between the TMC and Congress? And as Shehzad was interestingly highlighting that earlier Mamata had in fact even assured of outside promise, but even that doesn't seem to be a possibility now.
See, Mamata Banerjee has never been comfortable with 2 decisions taken by the Congress. One, of course, is alliance with the left, because TMC's whole genesis was to, and the biggest enemy really before the BJP became one, was the left party. And she has never forgiven nor forgotten the Congress party for its alliance with the left. And in this, she blamed Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, whose whole politics is about anti-Mamata. The only way Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary could have protected his turf is to keep on attacking Mamata Banerjee, and he has been doing that. And that is what she had said, that you